What's going on, everybody? This is your boy, Mike the Farmer, coming to you live from Playa del Carmen, Mexico. And I wanted to do a quick walkthrough of the room to kind of give y'all an idea what the room looks like, where I'm at. I'm at currently La Pasion Hotel, boutique hotel in Munich. And I'm staying here until Monday the 21st. So I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough so y'all can kind of see how the room looks, see how everything was kind of laid out so you can get a general idea in case you want to stay here. And then I'll add some more information or link the bio in the description below so that you can kind of check out the hotel for yourself, see some images, see the prices and things like that. All right, so come along with me. All right. All right, so when you first walk into the room, here is what the bed looks like. And I gotta be honest with y'all, this bed is hard as hell. I really gotta be honest. This bed is so extremely hard. And you walk in, here's your entertainment center with your cable TV, free channels, and they do give you free Wi-Fi. One thing to always remember is that because you are in Mexico, everything on TV is going to come up in Spanish. So you just have to go and change the settings. Some of the channels you can change the settings for so that you'll be able to watch things in English, and other channels you can't change the setting at all, and it's all in Spanish. So just remember that. That's the front door. That's the door that leads to the bathroom, and then here's the closet. As you can see, I got my crap all over it. One of the running themes that they have in this hotel are these hearts. They have these beautiful hearts all over the property. Even my key, I'll try to show y'all. Even my key came with a little wooden heart on it. And that's the theme that you'll see throughout the entire hotel, with lighting, with decor. I think it's pretty cool. I enjoyed that much. Here is the bathroom. When you walk into the bathroom. Another thing to also know that when you're staying in Tulum or Playa del Carmen, their plumbing system isn't as advanced as like a Cancun or other countries. So one of the things they have in here is a trash can. They do not want you to flush any tissue down the toilet because it will ruin their pipes. And that's one thing that I kind of researched before I even came to Playa del Carmen. It's just all the things I need to know before going. And that was one of the things that stood out the most and that most people said was that you cannot flush toilet paper down the toilets. It will ruin their system. So keep that in mind, y'all. This is the shower. It's not really the best view, but hopefully you can get a general idea of what the shower looks like. Yeah, this is not the best picture. I'll try to create another video for y'all so y'all can kind of see what the shower looks like a little better. It's pretty small, but it's spacious enough for me to be comfortable inside of it. But yeah, I'm in the bathroom coming back out to the room. My room does have a small balcony on it. I muted the TV so nothing was playing in the background. I do not want any flags from YouTube. I'm going to go out on the balcony and kind of show y'all what's going on here. They also have a tab that you can put on your front door with a heart to say whether or not you want to be disturbed and things like that. But this is looking out my balcony view. That is Palacio Municipal. And this is looking out from my balcony. This hotel does have a restaurant. Where you can get food on the regular. There's Walmart, y'all. Of course, I just came from there not long ago. I had to grab a few things, but yeah, this is the view from the balcony. yeah, I will give you more updates at a later time. Show you a little more video. I'm gonna use my camera a little later so y'all can get a better view, but this is a quick view of the hotel I'm staying in. La Pasion Boutique Hotel in Munich, in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. It is currently June 19, 2021. It's Saturday, and it's about 89 degrees and partly cloudy outside. Alright, I'll give y'all updates and check with y'all later. Thanks for coming by and viewing my videos. Don't forget y'all, like, subscribe, share. I'll talk to y'all later.